My name is Montri Pichayathana. I'm the Managing Director of MMD Mining Machinery Thailand. MMD Thailand has the responsibility for sales and after-sales service. We sell the machines, sizers and sizers station, several units in Thailand and Laos. The materials here is clay and mixing with the highly abrasiveness content with the wet and sticky material as well. So the combination of them is very difficult to crusher to process it. I think it's only the crusher style like sizer can produce. Otherwise, if you use other type of crusher, you will lose your production around 50 to 80%. Recently, we talked to the customer. They will give compliment to MMD that the coal station we supplied 12 years ago has already processed over 150 million tons of coal by using the original wear component that we installed 12 years ago. I think we have a good relationship. Every time we return to meet customer there, they give a very good welcome to us. Even the 12 years already, people change. Somebody is still here, somebody is new face. But the customer every time give the compliment to MMD people and also MMD machines.